They're smaller than your fingernail, yet powerful enough to change the future. Let's explore the tiniest tech gadgets in the world right now. First, please take a minute to hit subscribe. Imagine checking your blood sugar or getting GPS directions, all from a contact lens. Companies like Mojo Vision are developing AR-enabled lenses that blend health and digital reality in the blink of an eye. This tiny chip, developed by Columbia University, is just 0.1 cubic millimeters, smaller than a dust mite, and it can be implanted to monitor body temperature and health markers in real time. These insect-sized drones can be used for search and rescue in disaster zones or covert surveillance. We're talking cameras that fly the size of a coin. Project your phone screen on any surface with a gadget that's barely bigger than a USB stick. This is minimalist design at maximum output. Used by security agents and public speakers, this almost invisible earpiece fits entirely inside your ear canal, giving you wireless access to audio cues, translations, or team comms. Technology is shrinking, but its impact is exploding. Subscribe to Synax to stay ahead of the curve with the smallest innovations making the biggest waves.